You know, remodeling your kitchen is an exciting project, but if your budget doesn't call for tearing out all of your old cabinetry, here's a trick for you. Instead of tearing it all out, just replace your doors, right?
It's so easy to do. It's as simple as measuring the opening width and the height, add about an inch. You're ready to order your doors, and you've got a lot of choices too, from different species of wood, cherry, hickory, maple, oak, to different finishes. You've got nice stained finishes, you can get paint finishes, you can even get raw doors and paint them yourself.
That's right, because that's exactly what we did. Another thing that you can do is change your style. If you want a cathedral look at this one right here. I love the rope around here that's embedded, or you can just get something very traditional, very standard. So again, your imagination is your limitation. And I like this too. You might even want to consider getting some doors with glass in them so that you can display some really nice glassware.
And it really is very easy to install. They usually come pre-drilled for the hinges, so 2 screws, they're installed. Now, that's for changing the kitchen, the look of it. If you want to change up some space, you need a little bit more of it, well, here's an idea. Get that microwave off the counter.
Yeah, typically a countertop microwave is around anywhere from 100 to 150 bucks. Well, why not invest another 50 or 100 bucks? And you can get a type that can be installed underneath the cabinet, and you've just added so much more counter space. And if your counter space is at a premium, that's well worth the money.
Now keep in mind, you need a little bit of space between the oven and the bottom of the microwave. You may have to modify a cabinet like we had to do recently. One other thing, ventilation. It will replace your stove vent in many cases. Will it be compatible? Usually it is. Keep this in mind though, you can get some that recirculate the air so you don't even have to worry about hooking up a vent.